हाय, गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो नमस्कार. आज आपण इयत्ता 8वीचं असणार 1.3 असणारी कविता जी आहे ती कविता आज पाहणार आहोत. त्या कवितेचं नाव आहे ट्रीज आर द काइंडेस्ट थिंग्स आय नो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी वुड लाईक टू स्टार्ट द chit chat activity which is very much important for each and every student. With the help of chit chat activity you can develop yourself, you can do contact with each other, you can make a communication with each other, so that chit chat activity is very much important. Here chit chat activities here related to the title of this poem which is given here. This title is trees are the kindest things I know. This poem is written by or composed by Harry Payne. Chit chat activity, warming up activity is here. First of all we have to prepare ourselves so that this chit chat activity is given here. Friends, I would like to ask you some questions which are related to this poem. Number one, when do you receive the gifts? This is the question. The question which is related to the gift, you have to answer. Will you answer? Yes, you can answer. So you have to tell the answers of this question. When do you receive the gifts? You can tell the answers in simply and easily. Those answers are like this: you can receive the gifts, or I can receive the gift whenever my birthday is there, or whenever I do something well for the others, that time I can receive the gift. Okay. Second question is there: do you like to give gifts? First of all, when do you receive the gift? That is the question. And second here, do you like to give the gift? Means here firstly there is WH type question, because that question begins with when, so it is WH type question. Secondly, there is a question that is, do you like to give gift? Here the question starts or begin with do. What is this? Do is helping verb. Okay, it is, we can say, auxiliary verb also. And whenever any question starts or begin with helping verb or auxiliary verb, that question is called verbal question. Okay, and whenever verbal question is there, the answer is very simple. That is, answer is yes or no. So here question is like this: do you like to give the gifts? Answer will be yes or no. Friends, you can give the answer as per your wish. Okay, you can, sometimes you can say yes, sometimes you can say no. Okay, then third question is there: from whom do you get gifts? From whom do you get gifts? Very simple. Answer is very simple. Will you try? Yes, you can. Means you can get the gifts from your parents, your friends, your brothers, your sisters. Means the relatives or the persons who came in contact with you. From those people, from those persons, you can get the gifts. Number fourth question is there: what is the best gift that you have ever received? What is the best gift? Means which is memorable to you. Will you tell me? Yes, you can tell the memorable gift, and that is you have to write that answer of this question is with you, with your mind, with your wish. Means the gift which is very much precious to you, or which is the best gift to you, you can give the answer. Okay, here you can tell the watch. Here you can tell any other things which is the best for you. Another question is related to question number 5, that is why is it special for you? ती जी गिफ्ट आहे ती गिफ्ट तुमच्यासाठी खास का आहे? तर त्याचं कारण तशाच पद्धतीचं असेल, जसं की तुम्हाला जसं वाटेल त्यानुसार तुम्ही त्या ठिकाणी ते लिहू शकता. का स्पेशल आहे, का खास आहे, त्याचं कारण तुम्हाला जसं वाटेल त्यानुसार, कारण प्रत्येकाच्या जीवनामध्ये एक वेगळं अशा प्रकारचं कारण असतं. ते कारण तुम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी लिहायचं आहे. ओके, आता याच्याशी रिलेटेड असणारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 जो आहे तो, व्हॉट गिफ्ट्स do trees give to mankind or mankind? Trees also gives us many gifts. And question is here, what gifts do trees give to mankind? Trees gives many gifts to us, mankind. Trees gives us shade, trees gives us food, trees gives us, we can say fruits, trees gives us, gives all the humans, or trees gives us all the humans, wood. Wood is very much useful for their houses, to build up the houses and to use as a fuel. You can use it. That tree gives us. So trees gives us many gifts. So next question is there. Name two parts of a tree that begin with. To that or to this question, you will see the some pictures there, or tree parts there, parts of tree there. Parts of tree there I have given in a picture. Watch, observe that picture carefully, and then you can write it. Number one, you have to write the name two parts of trees that begin with B. First of all, B means you have to write the parts of tree which starts from B. For example, branch you can write. But in your poem, there is another word for that. Then F, you have to write the words, or you have to write the parts of trees which begins with F. Which are those? You have to watch the picture and then write. Like that, T is also there. That from that T, begin with the T, you have to write the parts of tree. Okay, and in this way, you have to write the questions of this chit chat activity. Number B is there. In most countries in the northern hemisphere, there are 4 seasons. Number 1, spring, summer, autumn, and winter. In India also, these 4 seasons found in India also. Number 1. Try to guess what is the season in the months given below. Here are some months are given here, or here are some months. With the help of those months, you have to tell which season is there. In India particularly, we are saying that there are 3 seasons. 3 seasons. Number 1, summer, autumn, and winter. These are the 3 seasons here. Autumn, it is called a rainy season also. But in hemisphere, 4 seasons are there. Number one, summer, autumn, winter, and spring. You have to write which months come in which season. Okay, friends, this is the chit chat activity. You can also add some things which are given in the chit chat activity. Here is 5th question is there. Our next question is there. That question is related to the poet, related to the poem or poet. Here question is, an artist paints pictures using colors. A poet or a writer can also paint pictures in your mind, imagination, by using descriptions or descriptive phrases. For example, blue sky, soft white clouds, floating clouds, like this. There are so many things which are related to the descriptive phrases. Means noun is there and adjective is also there. Means description is also there, and with the help of that description, you can write some phrases there. For example, I would like to tell you, and with the help of that example, you have to write remaining all. We can say the descriptive things which are related to the nature, right? So here first I would like to give you one example, that is a rising sun. Sun is used here as a noun. Rising, it is used here as an adjective. In this way, you can write some descriptive phrases, or you can also describe anything related to this beautiful nature. Okay, this is the chit chat activity, friend, and with this chit chat activity today I would like to conclude here, because in the next video I would like to share with you the poem or a reading of the poem "Trees Are the Kindest Things I Know," which is composed by Harry Bell. This poem I would like to tell you, or I would like to read this poem with the help of this video. In this video, with the help of this video, I would like to read this poem again, and you will also read this poem with the help of this video in the next video. Okay, thank you, friends.